Okay, good evening. How are we all tonight? Welcome to Learandi Lessons. Today we will use Unity, 3D, and 3ds Studio Max. So we will create animation, export it to FBX format, and import it into Unity. This will be a simple animation, and I just want to show you the whole process, how it works, how to create animation in 3ds Studio Max and how to use it in Unity. So let's open Max. I use version number 9. Here's perspective view. Let's create a box. We will use it as a door, and then we will open and close the door, so we will create a simple animation. We will affect pivot point, bring it to the left. So after that we will use some boxes to make borders of the door, like this one. We will select it, copy it, edit, and duplicate it. Let's make a copy, move it, select, copy, and move. I will use now a front view, just zoom in. Okay, just need to zoom a little bit to the right. Yeah, something like that. Okay, after that we need to create an up and bottom borders of that. So let's create another copy, move it to the up, rotate it about, let's check, 90 degrees, and move it to the top, something like that. Then let's modify it and decrease its height, move it to the right, just a little bit more. Okay, let's zoom inside. Let's see how it assign it. So let's make a copy, move it downside. Okay, let's zoom in. Oh my god. Wait. Okay. Oh, it's okay now. So let's now use different color for the door, something like that. Add color, something like that. I want a dark. Okay, and let's now assign that to our door. Okay, so now if we will rotate the door, it will open. Okay, now we need to create animation, so let's hit Alt key button, set key at 0 point. Now let's move to the 10th frame, 20th frame, rotate the dot to open it, set another key, move to 44th frame, and rotate this door back. Okay, so now let's deselect the outer key. You see the door is open and close. And now let's set that end time will be 40 and length will be 40 and frame count will be 41. Okay, now we will use file, export, FBX. Where is it? Simple FBX, yeah, Autodesk. Let's change the destination folder. I will use dog animation for the file name. Let's press save. Okay. Okay, what we see here. I don't need any embedded textures, so export, convert. Okay. We need animation and geometry checked. So let's hit OK. So now we have successfully created FBX file. Let's move it to the Unity project, assets. I need another folder. For example, let's go to Unity and in the project you create folder models. And in the models folder, let's paste our door animation FBX. So what we see now a few boxes. Here's the first one is the door, another borders. So here's the camera. Oh, we don't really need the camera. Why is it so? Let's open FBX Max. Why? When we use file export, we also export the camera. So let's select these objects and use file export selected, FBX. Let's go to the assets, models. Let's delete these two. I don't really need them. So, and now materials, models, and let's name it again door animation. So we don't need cameras, lights, shapes, mouse. Okay. Let's go back to Unity. You see that we have now boxes. This is our door, and there is one animation. Let's select the root object. On the model, we can change its scale factor to, for example, 5. Let's generate colliders, hit apply. After that, we will go to animation, and here we can create some more clips. This one will be idle. Yeah, I'd like to name it idle, and it will be from 0 to 0. Another one will be opening door. It will be from 1 to 20, and another one will be closing door from 21 to 40. Let's delete the first one, we don't need it. Scroll down, hit apply. Let's see in the preview window how it works. Idle state, okay, opening door, okay, and closing door. Okay, so now we need another folder. Let's name it animation. Okay, let's create some animate controller. Let's name it door animation controller. So let's open it, drag our to it. Let's say that our idle is default state, and make some transitions to the opening door and another transition from opening to closing and another one to idle. So we need new two parameters, one trigger for the opening and another for closing. So this one will use condition opening, this one we will use closing. We don't need any temporal states. And here, and here. Okay, so let's hit play. Okay, select this one, open and close it. Select this transition, it will close the door. Okay, good. So let's save our project. Now we have clips, animations. So let's drag our door animation to our scene. So in the scene we have the door, and we see that there's animator and there is no controller assigned. Let's drag our controller. Okay, save the project. Also we need a collider to detect the collisions, so let's create physics and box collider. Let's drag edit collider and drag it centered to the what's up, drag it centered to the top, something like that, front. Okay, so I need to do this, turn it down. Okay, so I need size to be changed, something like that. Okay, so from the left, from the top, X, okay, size for X, something like that. And for that, I need to be 2 times bigger than the door, maybe 3 times or 2 times and a half, because we need to detect that the player has reached the door, not nearby the door exactly, but using some distance. It will look like more pretty. Let's save our scene. Let's set the is trigger checkbox. We did not save the scene, so let's create folder underscore scenes and save scene to the folder scenes and name it main. Okay, so we need another folder, scripts. Let's create a C# script. Let's name it door collider controller. Okay, let's open it. Here we will use a private animator class and its field, which we will instantiate or make a reference. Okay, to the existing component with the animator class. So after that, we will use this animator on trigger enter. So we'll say if other game object dot compare tag is player, then animator set trigger opening. Is it so? Let's check in Unity. Open the animator tab. Oh my god, 1N. Okay. Okay, so let's do it. So after that we need an other trigger exit, and if collide game object is player, we need a closing. Yeah, let's copy and paste it here. So okay, this is a simple script. Let's now compile it. Unity will do this automatically for us. Let's open the animation object and copy this to it. So yeah, here we will get a reference of animator and use it triggers to open and close the door. So what we need to do now is to instantiate the player. So we need to import a standard asset package characters. Okay, imported. We will use this empty character to go closer to the door and open it. We will not create any skins, bones exactly in this lesson, because this lesson is simple and short, and I'd like to show you how to create a simple animations here. So you can do and repeat this process to create any animations which you want. So we will create simple building village in this lesson. This will be easy for us. So we need the standard assets, and let's open characters, first person character, then prefabs, and FBX controller. So let's drag it to the scene. So let's rename it to the player and set tag to player. Okay? Now we can find it using compare tag. Not find it, but detect it. Okay? So what we need to do is to load all, okay, build all, okay, we'll start it, look up, collaborate. I don't mind this, so that succeeded. What's that? Audio source, what is in console? Contains animation clip idle, which has length of small frames. It will result in empty animation, okay. So let's move our player back, see in game. We need to rotate maybe our player 180 degrees. Let's create a plane. This will be 3D object plane, about 10, 10, 10. Scene. Let's create a folder materials. Let's create a new material. Let's ground material. I need to change color to something like, let's make it green, okay? Let's assign it to the plane and rename it to the ground and change its color to more dark ground. So there's a door animation, okay, and I see that our door is, here's a player, and I see that our door is inside our ground, so we need to move it up. Okay, okay, it's good. Let's save our project. Okay, let's hit play. Oh my god, what happened? Oh, our player is going down, so let's press Ctrl P. Our player is our plane is at position 3. Why is it so? Let's undo changes. Let's plane set it, ground set it to reset position. Oh, it's better. Save it, play it. Okay, let's go to the door. Oh my god, it's opened and closed. Why is it so? Let's drag it to the bottom. Game and scene plus press play. Oh, let's Ctrl P, select door animation, press play. Let's go to the door. It has been opened and closed. This is why we need to open animator window, select this transition, press delete button, select Ctrl S to save all, and Ctrl P to play it. Oh, we opened the door, walk away, and it isn't closed. Why is it so? Let's select door animation, game window, Ctrl P, go to the door, open it. We are still in the collider, go out the collider. And the door hasn't been closed. Why? Okay, let's open our script. Yeah, if our onTrigger exit, then we need to close the door. So let's debug debug.log. So if we are here, we will debug to the console that we are closing the door or opening the door. Okay, we will exit it. So now we need a console. Oh, we have 2 audio listeners. Yeah, let's disable one of them for now. So let's disable, for example, player audio listener audio source. Save it, play it. We still have 2 audio listeners. Ctrl P. Read sound first player. Ah, we have audio listener here. Oh yeah. Cannot play disabled audio source. Oh my god. Cannot play it. Let's deselect it. Let's select it. Let's select it here. It's gone. Okay. Let's go to the. It is opening. It is closing. We fired successfully our trigger event, but the animator doesn't work. We have closing. Let's play and see in preview. Yeah, it's closing. And this set our closing trigger. Here, set the trigger to closing. So what's up? and nothing happens. Oh my god. Let's check it again. Okay, this is the small mistake here. So we need to select this conditional state will be closing, and this one we don't need, I think so. We'll select it, delete it, and make it again without condition. Okay, let's see how it works. We have opened the door and we have closed the door. Let's see it again. We see that the console works fine. We can hide it. We have opened the door and we have closed the door. Let's go back. We have opened the door. We have closed the door. Okay, it's good. So, what I want to do now, I want to bring some materials to this door because it looks annoying really because it is white. I want to make it a little bit realistic. So I will open Google. Okay. Oh, I need some Wi-Fi. Where is my Wi-Fi? I need a Google. So I need door texture. Okay. Images. Door texture, something like I'd like what I like. Some door. Maybe this one? Oh no, really bad. Okay, let's select first one. For example, this, okay? Always. This one will be the door. Open in a full screen mode. Let's save it. Let's save it to our folder, to our project, assets. Here in Unity, I will create a new folder. Create folder. Let's name it textures. Okay. After that, select it and save it into it. Door. Okay, it's a JPEG file. But after that, I need to create a new material. Create material. Door. So let's assign this texture to the material. Oh. Why it doesn't work? Because we need to select some material for that. I will use mobile because it is more simpler and faster, so I use unlit. For this one, it is more simpler. Okay, you can use another shaders, make some experiments with them, see how one differs from another. But in this particular lesson, I will use only one. So we need to assign our material to other box number 01. So let's select materials door and drag it onto the box. Oh my god, now we have a door, yeah? Let's hit play. Now our person character is going to the door. The door has been closed. Let's turn around with the mouse, go back, and oh my god, go back and go into the door. Yeah, so it's good. So let's create a simple house. So what do we need to do is to open scene, Let's select the animation in a scene view, and what I need to do is to create some new boxes for that. Nice. Let's save all and create 3D object cube. Okay, we also can do this in 3ds Studio Max, but these primitives are simple and I can do this in Unity also, so this really doesn't matter where you can do this. So let's reset position, let's move a little bit upper, let's scale it, something like that, make it thinner. Okay, move it to the right side, make it more higher, not so, just a little bit higher, not so big. Just something like that. Okay, something like that. So I want to send the front view. Oh my god. Okay, let's decrease this height. Let's decrease it more. Oh my god. Something like that. And let's press Ctrl D to duplicate it, move it to the left side. After that, I will return to perspective view, select both of them, let's press Ctrl D to duplicate them. Okay. Let's duplicate this one, rotate it 90 degrees, move it, make it a little bit something like that maybe. Let's see from the left view. Okay. Okay, something like that. Let's duplicate it, rotate to the perspective. Oh my god, let's duplicate it and move it to the right. I think I don't need this. Let's move it to the center, make a little bit bigger using x-axis. Okay, so a simple house. Let's duplicate it, move it higher, rotate on blue axis, red, green, blue is z-axis, not this one. Red, green, blue, it's a global, so I need to rotate in a global. Okay. It used local rotation. Yeah. Okay. 90 degrees. Okay, move it something like that. Oh shit. Oh, a simple building. Okay. So, a small house. Okay. What I need to find out now is to find some textures for windows. So I need a window texture. I need a window texture, maybe this one. Okay, let's open in full screen and save it as a window to the textures. Open it in Unity. Let's create material. Name it window material. Window material. Let's change it to mobile, something like Unlit I'd like to use here. You can use another one. So let's assign this window material to our cube number 1. So window. Oh, haha. So yeah, funny. Yeah, to cube. Yeah, really funny. So I need the wall material. Let's close it. Let's Google some wall material texture. So what I'd like to have here? Maybe this one? No, really, it's boring. Maybe another one. Which one? It could be an old building. Something like that. Let's open it. Oh my god, it is so big. Let's use another one which is smaller. Maybe this one. It has yellow bricks here. So yeah, we need to have some gray bricks to make it in one style. All in one style. Maybe this one. Oh my god, what's happening? Hey, let's use someone. It doesn't matter here. You can use another one in your projects. More better, more realistic. Save images, wall. After that, let's open Unity. Let's create a new material. Let's name it wall material. Let's let's change it to, for example, mobile. Only support material. Okay. And let's now we have cube number 4. Let's assign it wall material. Wow! Yeah. What's up? Let's rotate it. This is cube number 5 for wall material. I just like to show you the whole process. I'm not really one style. So cube, rotate it, and I'd like to use another one material for the roof, of this building. So let's Google roof texture. What is the roof? What's the roof here? Maybe this one? Okay, let's use different styles. Oh my god. With some... Let it be. Okay. Let's use this. It doesn't matter, really. I don't like to use PNG here. Maybe this one? Oh, what's happened? What's going on with my Google browser? Let's take a simple material for the roof. Something like that, it doesn't matter really. I don't want to spend time to find out which is better. So roof, let's go to Unity, open materials, create material, roof. Let's change the shader to mobile. It's works faster. Roof, drag it to the textures. And so now we need to find out that our cube number 6 is roof, and we will drag our roof into it. Oh my god, it's boring. Yeah, it's so big. Let's change it. So boring. We need smaller pieces for the roof, and maybe they need to be gray. Roof. Maybe this one? Oh no. This is ground, maybe. This one, okay? Okay, let's save it. Save it to the roof. Let's replace it. Unity will find out that we have changed it, and it changed it to the roof. Okay, so this is our small building. Let's save our scene, save project. Let's hit the play button. Unity will automatically change the window to player, and we will go to the building. Now we can rotate our view using mouse and go out of the building. So, what is the prefab? Prefab is a scratch template which we can instantiate. So let's create a prefabs folder. We can name it using different names. So prefab is an object which has been stored to the disk. So if, for example, here are models, this is a prefab really, because our object has been stored to the disk. Yeah? And when you created an object in the scene, you see that here's a model, select, revert, and open, because this button has been attached to the prefab and works for the prefab. So if we, for example, want to create a new building, we can instantiate it from the existing prefab. So let's create an empty and use the name building for it, and let's reset its position and drag our cubes into it. Okay, so now we have building. We can move it. Oh, door is not inside the building. So let's drag a door into the building also. Let's check. Oh my god. Let's select building. Let's move it. Okay. Let's save it. Let's press play. See how it works. The door is opening. Let's rotate our view. Go back. Yeah, door is closing. It works okay. Oh my god. So, okay. Let's press Ctrl P, and now let's drag this to the building to the prefabs folder. So now building is a prefab. We see the select, revert, and apply buttons, which are associated to the building. So after that, we can drag this building into the scene, and we see that we now have another building. Yeah. Okay. Let's drag another one. Move it to the left. Let's rotate it a bit, minus 55 degrees. Okay. Let's create another one. Let's rotate it 180 degrees. This is another one building. Let's, for example, select building, press Ctrl D, duplicate it. Also, it is associated with the prefab. This is the same as we would drag the prefab onto the scene. Let's see. Oh yeah. So what I want to do now, I want to change, for example, roof for this building. It is simple. or window for this building. It is also simple. It is cube number 1 in building number 1. So, for example, I will find out some new window texture. For example, I'd like this one. Oh, it's boring. Yeah, really. Something strange is in this building. So let's name it window number 2. Let's create material. We have material window, material, and this will be window material number 2, window 2 material, window material number 2, doesn't matter how you will name it. And we know that this and cube and cube number 1 are the windows, so we can drag window 2 on the cube and window 2 on the cube. So we see, but we did not change the materials shader. So let's select mobile, and after that drag window 2. Oh my god, yeah. So now let's save our scene. Press play button. Oh my god, we are in a village now, and I see this very dark building. What's that? Let's comment it. Okay. So the same way you can change the materials which we used for the doors, the roof, and so on. Okay, this is a simple animation. Someone will say that, of course, we can make the same animation in Unity 3D, and we don't really need 3D Studio Max, because we can animate any parameters in Unity 3D, but I'd like to show you this process, because if you have a complex animation, for example, humanoid or something like dinosaur animation, it is more better to create it in 3ds Max or Maya or Blender using bones and some special terrestrial animation tools, and after that to export it into FBX and import it into Unity. So of course, also if you have downloaded some FBX file, some FBX from something like character FBX from web, and after that, if you have downloaded it, you can use it the same way to import it into the Unity, use some animation controller, some states, and after that you can animate these terrestrial characters in the Unity 3D. Okay, thank you for watching. See you, bye.